Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Oluwa Kemisola, and if today is your first time stopping by, you're welcome. If today is your first time, of course this is likely going to be your first time seeing my face because I'm also new here. This is my first video speaking to the camera. Yes, I've had other videos where I made tutorials on how to sew and all, but this is my first video speaking to the camera. In today's video, I'll be talking about how to get a dollar card without having a domiciliary account, without having 2 referrals with current accounts, yes, and without having to pay the $100 initial deposit to get a domiciliary account in Nigeria. So a little backstory of how I came about this solution is, in Nigeria, prior to this time, our Nigeria debit card can pay up to $100 on all platforms. Yes, on almost all platforms. Let me not say on almost all platforms without glitching and problems. So it is easy to make payments of up to $100 in a month. But recently, not even recently, as at when I'm making this video, about 4 to 5 months ago, the CBN announced that our Nigerian debit card can only pay up to $20. So the reason I decided to finally share this is because yesterday when I was going through Twitter, I saw this tweet. I saw a tweet talking about the Nigerian card not even being able to pay up to $20 again. That's so sad, given that a lot of software we use in Nigeria and a lot of people have to make international transactions. A lot of us have to pay for subscriptions in dollars, and this has made life kind of difficult for some people. So, and I thought to bring you this solution that I've been using for about a month now, and I've also recommended it to different people who have used it and they actually think yes, it is a good one. At least none of them has ever complained to me after introducing it to them. So the best option to get rid of this $100 or $20 restriction is get a domiciliary account. But however, getting a domiciliary account in Nigeria is not so easy for a lot of people, given that you need to have 2 referrals who own a current account, and they've been actively using this current account for at least 6 months, and you need to pay in an initial deposit of $100, which some people do not even have at the moment, and these things are serve as restriction to getting a dollar card in Nigeria. Before this time, virtual cards were working. Example, the one I've used very well is the Barter card by Flutterwave. So it was working until they announced again that it is no longer working. So when I was making this research, I actually stumbled on other different virtual cards, like cheaper and other virtual cards, but none of them was working as I went making this video, which made it kind of difficult to make international transaction. Serious. I was going through my mail and I saw an email from UBA Bank. I'm a UBA customer. So they sent this email. It was an advertisement. It was an advertisement mail talking about a dollar prepaid card, and I was like, God, this is what I need at the time. So I simply went, a disclaimer first, please. This is not a sponsored video. This is simply what I have used and it has worked for me. In case maybe you've seen this video after I become a big YouTuber or after I blow, this is not sponsored. This is just what I've used and has worked for me, and I think other people might need this solution, and I've also recommended some of my friends and it has also worked for them and they like it, so I thought to bring it to my YouTube people. So this card, I came across this mail talking about a dollar prepaid card, and I went straight into the bank that same day because I needed to make this payment urgently. So I went into the bank and I made inquiries, and they just told me to bring my normal documents that I use in opening my bank account. So first, you don't need to be a UBA customer to use this solution. No, because I've recommended about 3 of my friends. They are not UBA customers, and they've been using this card now for about a month. So you can use it even if you're not a UBA customer, so you don't have an issue with that. So it's like opening a new account. So I brought all my document, my utility bill, my ID card, 2 passport photograph, and my BVN. So that's my bank verification number. So that is what I took to the bank, and I was able to get this card in less than 30 minutes, and I funded the card and it was working. I was able to make my payments like seamlessly, and I think this is going to help 1 or 2 people. So this is what the dollar prepaid card looks like. Just the normal ATM card. So with this, you can make your payments seamlessly and you can fund your accounts. So you can make purchases online and do a lot of things. Pay for your subscription. With this card, you can pay for your subscription, make purchases on different platforms. Just do anything basically that you can do with your ATM card. I would like to say something about how to fund this account. Funding this account, you will need to go the traditional way. And by the traditional way, I mean you need to get your dollar yourself. Sorry, that's what everybody does in Nigeria now, as at when making this video, and the rates are not smiling at all. So go to the aboki on the roadside, get your dollar, take it to the bank, fund your card, and you can continue to use this card. And so this card has an account number, and people can send you money like foreign currency to your account. Something I can say is an advantage like that I like about this card is because it is actually easy to get, no restriction, and the service is seamless. Like you can make payments very, very easily, unlike the Nigerian card. If you've tried making a dollar payment to Nigerian card, you will know what I'm saying. Like you can keep trying on different platforms severally and it won't be successful. But with this, I only try my transactions once and it's successful. So I'm going to be reading out the charges attached to this card. For card insurance, the money you pay to get your card is $3.01. So for the annual card convenience fee is $20. So if that's cool with you, SMS alerts 0.01 cents. That's very, very minimal. That's very, very small. And international ATM withdrawal. If you're in Nigeria, you're not doing international ATM withdrawal. So here it is written 0.6%. The OCT inflow on this card is 1.5%. That means if you're trying to make payment into this account using other platforms like PayPal, or somebody trying to make a transfer into this account using from other platforms like PayPal, that person will have to pay. That person will be charged, or you will be charged 1.5% of the transaction. So if that works well with you, then you're good to go. So for somebody like me who uses this card in Nigeria and stays in Nigeria, the only thing I do with this card is make payments online. So the OCT inflow is none of my business. The international ATM withdrawal is none of my business. So all I have to pay on this card is 0.01 cents, which is my SMS alerts. And for me, I opted for email. So if you opt for an email alert, that means you're not paying anything. Email is free. SMS, you got to pay. So guys, if you find this video helpful, kindly give it a thumbs up so that I can reach other people who are in need of this solution. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you very much for staying tuned up to this time. Don't forget to leave me a comment if you have a question or an inquiry to make, or if you have a video suggestion that you want me to talk about. Kindly leave it in the comment section. And thank you very much for watching up to now. Bye.